The programme started back in March last year, and we haven't missed a week. Even half terms we play, we get around 12 to 14 regular every week, which is great. It's been really, really successful so far.
The main initiative is just more to get these guys involved within the club community. It's also then getting them, be part of something as well.
If they do have mental health problems, there's no stigma here. Anybody can be involved, as you can see, and it's all about taking part.
I have mental health problems. I'm on medication for it, and I go to mine in Hwlffordd, and the doctor said it'll be good to do some fitness. It makes you happier, just to do something.
The football programme is pretty awesome. We train every Tuesday, and obviously the coach is a good guy, and we got the sponsors right here, and then also on the name shirts we got Mine Pembrokeshire and the FAW, who are the biggest sponsors in the world of football.
The community have really got behind this programme. We've got a football strip, which has been sponsored by local companies. We've sought sponsorship to pay for the facility here to keep this going and be sustainable.
It's about the enjoyment of including everybody, because you've got people with different abilities, and it's that inclusion and seeing the enjoyment, and it's just being that supportive. For me, it's just because I like football, it's seeing the rewards of the other people coming.
It's in a relaxed environment. No one's going to, dig you out or call you out for anything. It doesn't matter about your background or anything. We're all here for a laugh and enjoyment. Unpressured environment.
It's just good that we have these places to go to, because 5 years ago there was nothing like that, or 10 years ago there was nothing like that. It wasn't even talked about. The more we talk about it, the better.